Hi, my name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Ahmad Amin. My metric number is 07DTP 23F1004. Today I want present about Project 1 Tool Design. List of content: Introduction, Defection in molding process, Type of injection mold, Mold design, Injection mold process, Primary factor in mold design, Discussion and conclusion. First, introduction. Injection molding is a forming process using mold. Materials such as synthetic paints are heated and melt and then sent to the mold where they are cooled to form the design shape. Due to the resemblance to the process of injection fluid using a syringe, this process is called injection molding. Next, injection molding process. Extrusion molding. How it's work: form plastic or metal material into a predefined shape. During the process, the material is made and pushed through an extrusion molding machine, forming a long tube-like shape or rod. Second, blow molding. How it's work: softening plastic by heating a perform operation. The present is a tube-like piece of plastic with a hole in one end through which compressed air can enter. Third, transfer molding. How it's work: preheated plastic is placed in chamber, then transferred into the mold cavity by a plugger. And last, piston injection molding. How it works: plastic pellets are placed into heated chamber where they melt into liquid. A piston then push this molten plastic into a closed mold that is a shape like the final product. Next, defect in injection molding. First, splay, appearing as silver or white streak on the surface. Second, flow line, visible streaks caused by cooling issue. Third, flash, unwanted layer of plastic escape the mold cavity. Next, primary factor in mold design. First, injection molding cycle. Injection molding cycle F5. First, clamping. Second, injection. Third, packing. Fourth, cooling. And last, injection. Second, sprue gate. Sprue gate is part of molten entry. Number of impression F3 tool. First, single tool. Second, multi-tool. And third, family tool. This is our design. Next, clamping force. Clamping force is prevent mold from opening. Runner system. Runner system F2. First, cold runner. Cheaper, simple but produce more waste. Hot runner, keep plastic molten inside channels, reduce waste but more expensive. And the last one, clamping force calculation. Ensure accuracy and strength. Type of injection mold. Three-plate mold, also named as small gate mold. Comparing with two-plate mold, one of the difference is additional mold plate is required between top clamp plate and cavity plate, which called runner plate. It allows the runner scrap and plastic mold part release separately. Type of injection mold. Two-plate mold. Type of injection molding tool used in the manufacturing process to produce plastic component or products. It is a fundamental and widely used mold design in the plastic injection molding industry. The name The name two-plate refers to the mold structure which consists of two main plates, A plate and B plate, that come together during the molding process. This is mold component, injector pin, and this is design of injector pin. Second, cavity plate and core plate. This is the design of cavity plate and core plate. Third, guide pin and bushing. This is the design. Next, sprue. This is design of sprue. Lastly, cooling channel. This is the design, mold design. This is my core design, and this is my cavity design. And lastly, this is complete mold design. The discussion is, this project focus on the development of a two-plate mold design, primarily due to its inherent advantage in manufacturing simplicity, cost effectiveness, and operational reliability. Critical components such as runner, cooling channel, and injector pin were meticulously incorporated to ensure optimal product quantity. An in-depth analysis of prevalent mold defect, including flash, sink mark, and wet line, was also conducted to devise effective preventive strategy. Overall, the design successfully demonstrates the synergetic interaction among the mold component in producing parts that meet precise specification and maintain consistency. In conclusion, this project successfully provided a comprehensive understanding of the injection molding process and the fundamental principles governing two-plate mold design. Each major mold element, specifically the core, cavity, and cooling system, play a significant role in determining the final product quality. Furthermore, the systematic study of molding defect facilitates the identification of problem source and the formulation of appropriate mitigation method.